Hey, so I'm about halfway down Beverly from the service road. So we're looking down the street here. When I look back up the road towards 70, there is a big commercial building right there. It's called the St. Charles Convention Center, something like that. So it's fairly far away from the St. Charles Convention Center, but that's where you turn in order to get to the house. So we'll keep on heading towards Beverly. I'm just gonna rest this right here. So I just wanted you to be able to see the neighborhood. I've been in a few of these homes. I need to clean my windshield. I have bugs on it. So oh, this house is interesting. I always like to see this one. I've been down the street a few times. Okie dokie. So here's the house. It's got a big hickory tree, I think, in the front yard. We'll check it out. Okay, so I'm out of the car, standing here, looking at the house. There's a big chimney in the garage, above the garage. The front of this is a nice beige color. The siding looks new. Garage door looks old. Roof looks new. And I'm sure this is what Dave's interested in. You could very easily pave that. Looks like there's been somebody parking there for a long time. I'm not exactly sure where the property line is. Sometimes there's markings on the pavement, but I don't see it. But theoretically, it looks like it's right there just based on the grading. The driveway's a little cracked. Go ahead and check out the outside. It does have soffit. Soffit looks like it's in good condition. See a little chip in the siding right there. Not a big deal. Little lawnmower damage there. Fence looks good. That was a gate. Okay. So there's not enough room to get back here with the trailer. That's probably like, I don't know, 36 inches wide or something like that. I see this window's got some condensation in it, so it's going to need at least the seal replaced. Looks like there's a bunch of vines and stuff. On the back fence. And over here on this side, this is not wide enough to pull a car through. It would be really close, and it's not super easy. HVAC looks decent. It's not new, but it looks like it's in good condition. The grading is pretty decent. Windows look pretty good. Inspector always calls out trees and bushes touching the house, but that's not a big deal. So the biggest thing I see here, there's some peeling paint on this door. The biggest thing I see here is you're not going to be able to pull that trailer back here easily. So we'll check out the front porch. See how here's a picture looking up on this side. Let's check the other side. So I'm guessing it might actually be more feasible to do it over here. It's going to be a really, really tight squeeze. Really, really. I'll measure that before I leave. Little landscaping's coming apart, but it's kind of par for the course. Looks pretty decent though. All right, well, we'll go inside. I'm going to switch this to portrait.